Bangladesh can strengthen its position as a preferred sourcing destination. We aim to be the standard for traceability in the industry. Well, Oretain is the global leader in forensic origin verification. So we scientifically prove where raw materials like cotton come from by analysing their natural chemical fingerprint. Our long-term vision is to make integrity measurable, helping brands and manufacturers move from trust-based systems to proof-based systems. We aim to be the standard for traceability in the industry, supporting ethical sourcing, brand protection, and long-term resilience. Well, global supply chains are complex, often involving multiple intermediaries and cross-border movement of goods. Traditional documentation can be manipulated, and digital systems rely on self-reported data. Oretain addresses this by testing the product itself, providing scientific proof of origin that can't be faked. Our advanced isotope and trace element analysis, backed by a global database, enables brands to verify origin at any point in that supply chain. We work with some of the world's largest apparel brands to support their raw material traceability commitments. Our science has helped clients avoid regulatory detentions, maintain access to key markets, and build stronger trust with consumers. For example, several brands have used our verification to validate claims around US cotton sourcing, ensuring that they can confidently market compliant, high-integrity garments in sensitive markets. While we don't take a position on trade policy, what we do see is that traceability has become a strategic advantage. So brands use Oretain's verification to ensure they're sourcing from trusted regions, even in complex supply chains. Scientific traceability reduces uncertainty and helps protect against compliance risks, providing brands with flexibility and confidence as the trade landscape shifts. Well, we support brands whatever their sourcing policies are. By providing scientific evidence of raw material origin, this helps them align with laws like the UFLPA, Canada's Forced Labour Act, and the upcoming EU due diligence regulations. Our compliance origin testing confirms that the goods do not contain cotton that originates from restricted regions, giving brands a truly defensible position in the face of growing legal and reputational pressure. Well, Bangladesh is a global leader in ethical garment production, and we see huge potential in extending that leadership to raw material verification. With over 95% of cotton being imported here, either as raw fibre or in some cases as yarn or fabric, having absolute proof of origin adds real value. We've been acting on feedback from manufacturers, brands and retailers to develop a new and more accessible model which is tailored to Bangladesh's needs, ensuring that companies here of all sizes can offer verified materials that stand out as high integrity, low risk partners in an increasingly competitive global market. Really, at a time where trade tensions, regulatory changes, and ESG pressures are causing brands to reevaluate and restructure their supply chains, Bangladesh has a real opportunity to gain additional market share. I think by leading on traceability and compliance, Bangladesh can strengthen its position as a preferred sourcing destination for the world's top apparel brands.